The biggest grant winning mistakes that you are probably making right now is treating your grant application like a form instead of a story. Let's talk about it.
Hey, mom, you're doing great. Keep going. Don't hesitate. Success is yours, it's on the way. Let them hate, but you won't stray. Do something for yourself today. You are worthy in every way. You are strong, you are true. Beautiful. Yes, that's you. So keep going.
Hello, everybody. My name is Idaya, and I'm a serial entrepreneur. I have multiple streams of income that brings money into my bank account consistently. One of the streams of income is rolling on my screen right now. It is my modest fashion clothing brand. And at Cover Me Cutie, we help busy women save time and boost self confidence by designing show stopping, size inclusive, high quality, modest fashion. Our bottom line is to make modesty a breeze so you can show up and show out every single day. So, as a teacher by heart, I also teach people how to start their own clothing brands from scratch, how to turn their skill sets into digital assets so they can sell it online. And I also teach businesses how to win grants. I was able to win close to $80,000 in grants in less than a year that took my business from manual to automatic systems that helped me take me to a global level from my basement. Okay, so today I'm teaching you all the reason why your grant application have been failing. And just in case you haven't applied for any grants yet, that's probably the reason why you are here, so you can get closer to your grants than to failures. Okay, so the biggest mistake you're making right now is impact, right? You need to learn how to tell a story. If you are a business owner and you don't know how to tell your business story, you're not only missing out on sales, but you're missing out on free money, aka grants that can take your business to the next level. I need you all to know that people do not buy products, they buy how products make them feel. It doesn't matter. An investor is also your customer, just like your clothing customer, just like your course customer, just like your book customer. And if you don't touch their emotion and they don't move, you don't soften their hearts when they see you, they will not say a yes. You are going to get a no. Your mission, number two, is that your mission is not in alignment with theirs. So let me give you an example. There's a grant called the Beyonce grant, and she gives this grant to women that have hairdressing salons, right? Probably they're doing it from home or they have a storefront. It doesn't matter. I think she gives like, is it 5 or 10,000? You should, I should have that video on my channel if you want to find that grant. It's somewhere there, right? Beyonce is a African American, right? She is a woman, right? I think she once used to be a hairstylist herself. I think, don't quote me. So she created this grant to help hairstylists. Now, if you don't go and read about why she created the grant and who she created it for, and you are a fashion business and you go to the grant and you go apply as a fashion business, of course you're going to be denied because you are not in alignment with her mission statement, or you are not black owned and it's specifically for black owned, but you are um Caucasian or you are Spanish, right? It's not going to be an alignment if it specifically says for black owned. So you need to do your due diligence to do your, just like you do market research when you're trying to start a business, you're also going to do investor research when it comes to who wants to invest in your business. You need to get to know them just like they're trying to get to know you. And number three is clear transformation, right? When you say you have a clothing brand and you need $10,000 to scale your business, I want you all to step for a moment. If you won $10,000 in business grants for your business today, what are the top three things that you're going to use that 10,000 for? If you cannot answer it in the comment section, that will be the top reason why you don't win business funding, because you should be able to answer this in an elevator pitch. Right, when you meet somebody in the elevator, you should be able to say, what are you going to use it for? You need to stay up to date with your needs for your business, right? Your clear transformation. What do people get when they buy your clothes? What do people get when they buy your skincare products? What do people get when they buy your lip gloss? Like, you have to make the transformation crystal clear. Now, you might already be thinking, but Idaya, it's just a lip balm. There's no transformation. Yes, there is. Who wants to be walking around with crusty, dry lips? The transformation is a soft, buttery, shiny lips, right? Healthy lips. Maybe if it has a little bit of sunscreen in there so they don't have discolored lips. Your transformation has to be clear, because people do not buy products, they buy transformations. And if you cannot crystally clearly craft your transformation, you are not only going to be losing out on sales, but you're also going to be losing out on chances of investors to give you free money to take your business to the next level. Now, if you're wondering, okay, Idaya, I get it. I need to learn more so I can start winning this free money, so I don't drown in bank loans that I'm going to pay forever because the interest keep on compounding. You need to click the link in my link below, right, on this video, because I have a solution for you. In my grant winning secret system, I teach you step by step what a grant is, how to find a grant, the secret grants that nobody are talking about, that you are overlooking, that gives you higher chances of winning grants, that gave me higher chances of winning grants, and how you can do it on rinse and repeat. Don't forget, even if you don't need this information right now, save it, because you might need it later when you start a business, or your sister or your brother might be an entrepreneur that needs this information. Share this content out to them. It costs you nothing to share. This is how you support small businesses. And if you want me to continue to create 3 videos every week, I need you all to make sure you're subscribing to this channel and you are hitting the notification bell, because this right here is a village, and in this village I teach you how to run up the bag, because the world itself is a global village, and I teach you how to start from right where you are. At this point, have you subscribed? Have you talked about your business in the comment section? If you haven't, be my guest to do so. Pitch yourself in the comment section. And I can't wait to see you in my next video. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Let's go. Salam.